Hi, I'm Sonam. I'm a clinical nutritionist, and today I'm going to talk about constipation. We must understand that a lot of people go through constipation in their life at least once. I think all of us once must have taken some kind of medication to control this disorder that we have created ourselves. So, first, we need to understand why it happens. See, constipation is a lifestyle disorder which happens because of lack of discipline, and that is the root cause of constipation. Apart from if you're taking any high medication which is causing it, but if you're not on any medication and if you are constipated, the major cause is lack of discipline. Now, this lack of discipline could be lack of time, like not right time to sleep, not right time to eat food, less water, no physical activity. So if I pick, we have four main topics which needs to be tackled to cure constipation. A, that is the food that you eat should be eaten on the right time. Yes, you should have timings to eat your especially dinner. You can't play around with your dinner ki kabhi 7 baje kha liya, kabhi 9 baje kha liya, but in the morning you expect that your stomach should get empty at the same time. That will not happen. You may play around with breakfast and lunches just because those are exceptional days and exceptional meetings have come up, but your dinner timing should be fixed. Second is water intake. Water intake should be in a good way to keep your system hydrated, to flush out those toxins. So you really can't ignore water. Water is very, very essential part to keep your gut strong and clean. Third is walking, exercising, yoga. Walking is an excellent exercise for your pelvic movement for people who suffer from constipation. So, some form of 40 minutes of physical activity has to be there. Last is sound sleep. And so if you are not able to sleep on time, that is, your sleeping patterns are different. Some days you're sleeping at 10 p.m. and some days you're sleeping at 1 o'clock, and same in the morning. Some days you're waking up at 7 and straight away you're rushing to the washroom to empty your bowel system, and some days you're waking up at 9 a.m. So how do you expect your body to hold the stool for 2 hours in the system? So this lack of discipline has to be streamlined. Once in a while it's okay. Now, apart from all these factors which does cause constipation, I'll give you a top few tips which you can start doing to cure it in a better manner while you are doing this all these four things in line, that is exercise, food, water and sleep. So the simple tip is start having triphala powder or amla powder. They both really help in cleaning your system. There are different ways of taking it, different timings of taking it. So you really need to find that perfect timing and for perfect calculation that suits your body. And of course, I'm there to help you out, to make you understand what is the best time for you to take triphala powder. Now, another very simple tip is, I'm going to give all desi tips, all desi nuskas, which will help you to counterpart this chronic problem. Start having a cup of hot milk at bedtime. Put some crushed kali mirch, some honey or jaggery, and very little kachi haldi. Okay, so it will help you in increasing your immunity also, like small cup. So it will help you to sleep better. In the morning it will help you to clear your motion also. And if you are not into drinking milk, have a cup of hot water with all these three things. Third is you can start taking castor oil, half teaspoon of castor oil or half teaspoon of ghee in the morning, empty stomach, before your breakfast or before your breakfast. So these little desi cheese, when you do these things, so they really help your motion to come out. So personally, I would not want you to make your body so habitual on medicines and churans and God knows what all. We might we might take care of our routine, of our discipline, and make sure that we are not facing problem of motion, because we all understand the days we don't pass motion, we are snapping out at everyone, we are so irritated, and the days we pass motion, we feel we have won some victory, and the world feels so nicer and better. So I think the second one is much better feeling. So make sure that you are paying attention to your lifestyle so that you don't face constipation, and eat smart food with me and don't starve. Thank you.